severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Atoka County in southeast Oklahoma, northwestern Bryan County in southeast Oklahoma, extreme southeastern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Cole County in southeast Oklahoma, southeastern Johnston County in southeast Oklahoma, eastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, Marshall County in southeast Oklahoma, until 9 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located from 5 miles southwest of Lebanon.
And then take $100 off your deductible for every year of safe driving.
Locations impacted.
Until your deductible could be
Wingo, Atoka, Colgate, Marietta, Kingstone, Caddo, Oakland, Mansfield, Rabia, Wapanucka, Stringtown, Tushka, Lehigh, Milton.